To edit the navigation menu, go to Website Designer, then click on Navigation. There you have all the menus, and you can uh, unpublish them, or you can make them a child menu. Child menu is something which where you can make it as part of a drop-down menu. For example, this is a child menu because this comes under create account. So when someone hovers on create account, these menus would display under the create account menu. So if you want to make a child menu, then you have to go to that menu first, and then select under the parent menu option. Select the parent menu which under which you want this menu to be displayed. Currently, it is set to create account. So when you select create account and then click on save, this menu would then display under create account menu. Similarly, you can unpublish a menu by clicking on unpublish, or you can keep it published so people can access it directly through the URL. But you can hide it from the top navigation menu using this switch. So, so if you have some just informational pages which you want to which you want people to access to get information about the event, but you do not want them to be available directly in the top navigation, then you can simply hide this option and then keep this option enabled, and then make sure to click on save. And if you want to create add an external URL, something like a custom link, then you can click on add new external URL, provide the title for the menu, provide the link to which this clicking on this menu would direct user to, and then click on save. The navigation menu includes menus related to buy ticket form, all the forms that you have created, registration forms, abstract submissions menu, uh, ticket purchase forms, program schedule menus, uh, content informational pages menus, and videos and photo galleries and blogs, a standalone page for donations and sponsorship packages, purchase forms, this abstract archive page. So these are all menus which are there by default, and it also includes those menus which you have created the forms. For example, the survey forms, or registration, custom registration forms, or general submission forms. Those forms, when you create those forms, it also creates a menu for under the navigation. So you can choose to display them under the navigation, or you can keep them hidden. You can also access the dashboard menus, which are only available to the logged in users. So these are all dashboard menus which you can hide or display to the logged in users. So by default, these are all menus which are enabled. You can hide the ones which you do not need. And if you want to see a preview, you can click on the preview button. By default, it would also display the top 5 navigation menus in the navigation bar, and the rest of the menus would display under the more button.